Think you're too young to worry about your eyes? Think again. 20 million Americans aged 40 and older are living with age-related macular degeneration, and the world's leading cause of blindness, cataracts, will affect more than half the population over 65, and you won't see it coming.
Was that a dad joke?
Maybe.
Ever had that moment where you're squinting at your phone, trying to read a text and wondering,
Is it just me?
or is my eyesight getting worse? Those vision-robbing conditions are creeping up way sooner than you think. Whether you're a gamer glued to your screen, a bookworm devouring pages, or just someone trying to navigate the world without walking into a lamppost, this video is your golden ticket to keeping those peepers healthy and happy for years to come. There are simple steps you can take right now to fight back and keep your peepers healthy for decades to come. So ditch the idea that eye problems are just for grandma and grandpa. Your future vision is worth protecting.
Yeah, baby!
Today we're diving into the top 5 vitamins that act like superheroes for your eyes, fighting off those pesky, age-related vision villains. So stick around, because trust me, you don't want to be blindsided by blurry vision later in life. At the end, I will share some simple lifestyle choices that help you.
Fight the good fight.
So be sure not to miss that. Let's do a quick review of what are the top age-related eye diseases we are up against.
What am I dealing with here?
Sneaky villains that can quietly wreak havoc on your vision. Let's start with cataracts.
What's that?
Think of cataracts as the cloudy bullies of the eye world. Typically starting in your 40s, they slowly turn the normally clear lens of your eye into a foggy mess, making everything look blurry and dull. The older you get, the higher your risk of encountering these bullies. Next, we have age-related macular degeneration, better known as AMD. This villain is a bit sneakier. It attacks the macula, the part of your eye responsible for sharp central vision. AMD can make straight lines look wavy and colors appear washed out.
Well, that sounds bad.
That's because it is pretty bad. The next one to worry about is
Glaucoma.
Glaucoma is all about pressure. Too much pressure inside the eye, that is. It's like a silent stalker, damaging the optic nerve and gradually stealing your peripheral vision. Next, if you have diabetes.
I have diabetes.
Then diabetic retinopathy is lurking in the shadows. High blood sugar can damage the tiny blood vessels in your retina, leading to blurry or distorted vision. The last disease to watch out for is dry eye syndrome. This troublemaker might not sound too serious. Trust me, dry, itchy, irritated eyes are no fun. Dry eye becomes more common as we age. These eye villains might sound scary, but they're no match for early detection, healthy habits, and of course the power of those vision-boosting vitamins I'm going to share with you right now. Before jumping into the list of vitamins, if you want to see more videos like this and learn simple tips that will help you live better today while protecting your future self from age-related diseases,
How do I subscribe?
hit the subscribe button to support this channel and stay informed about upcoming videos. Alright, first up we have the dynamic duo, lutein and zeaxanthin. These carotenoids are like tiny sunglasses for your eyes, shielding them from harmful blue light emitted by the sun and all those screens you stare at. They accumulate in your retina, where they act as a natural filter, reducing the risk of age-related macular degeneration. Luckily, getting your daily dose of these eye guardians is as easy as munching on leafy greens like kale and spinach, snacking on some sweet corn, or enjoying an egg or two. What is the recommended daily amount, you ask? Well, there isn't one for lutein and zeaxanthin.
What?
But studies have shown benefits with 10 milligrams of lutein and 2 milligrams of zeaxanthin daily. Next, we have vitamin C, the antioxidant powerhouse. It works hard to fight free radicals, those pesky molecules that cause oxidative stress and damage to your eyes. Studies suggest that a diet rich in vitamin C may help delay the onset of cataracts and even slow their progression. So load up on those juicy oranges, sweet strawberries, crunchy bell peppers, and vibrant broccoli to give your eyes the vitamin C boost they need. The recommended daily amount is 75 mg for women, 90 mg for men. If you want to be a total superachiever and take more than 2,000 milligrams a day.
Don't.
Unless you want your digestive system to give you a gut punch from the inside.
Oh God, that hurts.
Vitamin E is another antioxidant superstar, protecting your eyes from the damage caused by those troublemaking free radicals. It works best when paired with vitamin C, so make sure you're getting both of these nutrients in your diet. Grab a handful of almonds, sprinkle some sunflower seeds on your salad, or enjoy a creamy avocado to give your eyes a powerful dose of vitamin E. Try to keep it to 15 mg per day and don't go over 1,000 milligrams. Things get very dicey at that point. Zinc is a mineral that plays a crucial role in transporting vitamin A to the retina, where it's needed for healthy vision, especially in low light conditions. Research suggests that zinc deficiency may be linked to an increased risk of AMD, so make sure you're getting enough of this essential mineral. Enjoy some oysters on the half shell, savor a lean cut of red meat, or whip up a delicious lentil or chickpea dish to get your zinc fix.
Oh, and pro tip.
For all my vegan and vegetarian friends, some plant-based foods contain phytates, which can inhibit zinc absorption. Soaking, sprouting, or fermenting plant-based foods can help to reduce their phytate content. Last but not least, we have vitamin A, the Vision VIP.
I cannot stress this enough?
Vitamin A is essential for the proper functioning of your retina and for maintaining healthy vision, especially at night. A deficiency in vitamin A can lead to night blindness, so make sure you're getting enough of this vital nutrient. Dig into those sweet potatoes, munch on some carrots, or enjoy a serving of liver to keep your eyes happy and your night vision sharp. And for those of you who prefer a plant-based option, spinach and kale are other great source of vitamin A in the form of beta-carotene. The recommended dietary allowances for vitamin A are expressed as retinol activity equivalents, or RA. Adult women should aim for 700 micrograms of retinol activity equivalents per day, and men 900 micrograms of retinol activity equivalents.
I'm so confused.
To help simplify that for all you non-PhD nutritionists, half a cup of raw carrots includes 460 micrograms of retinol activity equivalents. As awesome as vitamin A is, there's a thing called diminishing returns, and if you go over 3,000 micrograms of RAE, then it's just diminishing with no returns. Those are my list of top vitamins.
But there's more.
Don't forget about omega-3 fatty acids, the unsung heroes of eye health, found in fatty fish like salmon and tuna, as well as flax seeds and walnuts. Omega-3 can help protect against dry eye and may even reduce the risk of AMD. All right, visionaries, you've got your nutritional Avengers assembled and ready for action.
But why stop there?
Let's take your eye health to the next level with these bonus tips. Don't be a stranger to your eye doctor. Schedule regular eye exams like you schedule a night out without the kids.
I don't know you. You do not exist.
Remember, early detection is key when it comes to those sneaky eye villains we talked about. Your eye doctor is like your vision's personal trainer, keeping those peepers in peak performance. Think of sunglasses as your eye's personal Viking, shielding them from the sun's harmful UV rays. Just like you wouldn't hit the beach without sunscreen, don't leave the house without those stylish shades. Eating those Vision Avenger vitamins is awesome.
But let's be honest.
Healthy habits are the real MVPs. Ditch the smokes, stay active, and put in your time under the sheets sleeping. Your eyes and the rest of your body will be forever grateful. By taking these extra steps, you're not just protecting your vision, you're giving it a VIP upgrade. So go ahead, rock those sunglasses, book that eye exam, and make healthy choices. Your eyes deserve the star treatment the future will thank you. If you like this video and want to learn about more everyday simple tips that will help you live better today while looking after your future self,
I wanna learn.
hit the subscribe button to support this channel and stay informed on upcoming videos discussing other easy-to-implement health tips that will help you live longer and stay active. And if there is a specific topic you'd like to see a video on related to longevity and fighting age-related diseases, let me know in the comments below.